Hello guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you the how to buy FAU-G tokens. So let's get started. If you're a MIUI user, first check out my video in I button. After doing those procedure, turn off the MIUI optimization during the process, then turn it on. Because you need to play and earn points. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn all about Android, don't worry, we teach you some of the basic application hacking, Android tips and tricks, and also some coolest editing and the simplest way you can all do it. Just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel. Turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.